And you can't take a picture with it.
Yes, I can. Wow, it looks like in the movie, that movie fucking, name of that movie? No, with it's got, what's the name of that? Sin City, dude. Looks like Sin City.
Me?
The way the camera is. See the colors?
Oh my god, fat. Look at those fenders by.
Well, doesn't turn it.
Do something, Tim. Hurry.
Okay, here.
No. Shadow, don't copy me. That's what I do.
Copy.
Tim hates it when I pick my nose and yell at him in public.
I don't care if you pick your nose. Just don't rub it on me. You know what I'm saying? And eat it.
He got mad. He's all.
Don't eat it.
He's all. And when you yell at me in public.
Oh god.
That's the word.
I can't do it. Oh.
Oh no.
Flash.
Oh.
No.
Alright.
I don't have to. You're not my boss.
You're not the boss of me or something. Some crap.
Do you feel like Jessica Rabbit in those?
I feel like
I would feel like Jessica Rabbit if I was wearing those.
Pingarella. I feel like
Brandy's already finger fucked her
I
brand.
feel like Pink White.
Finger fucked her brand spanking new phone. She's just all blah 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 blah.
Breaking it in for me, huh?
Hey, leg.
Oh,
Hey.
so when the bros getting out of the pen?
What?
When the bros get out, what's their situation?
My bros.
Yeah, you remember Donnie and Leo?
They get out.
You know, you just don't care.
Donnie gets out in September, and Leo gets out in a couple months. I mean, 18 months.
18?
Try not to think about these things.
I know, I know. I shouldn't even ask, but...
My family is coming. I'm gonna erase all these pictures of me out of here.
Dude, I'm going through family shit. I haven't talked to my sister in 3 weeks. I'm going through family shit myself.
Oh, family. I love you. Wait, 9?
I don't even have a picture.
Oh.
Do you have a picture of my brother on your phone?
No.
Oh, not on that one, huh?
That was fun. There's a picture on your camera that looks like you remember.
I don't have that card. I have the card, but the card, I don't think I have it. You should see Zachary. He looks fucking hella like my dad.
Yeah?
He's only a year older than me, dude. He moved down here to Modesto. I still don't even know him really. I just only met him for a second. Tiffany and all the kids were there, and my sister. And
But you got fun and you can.
I know.
I'm trying to check on this one for holidays.
BJ. Where'd she go? I can't videotape.
Gorilla.
Videotape's not even fucking here to videotape.